Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today I will show you how could you download without copyright contents music and sound effect for use in your YouTube videos without any copyright claims. And you can freely upload your video with the sound effect and the music without any copyright contents or any claims. Then let's get started. At first, you have to open any browser on your phone or on your PC. Now I am trying in my phone. Now I am opening the Chrome browser. Look here. Now you have to type here YouTube library, and then you have to search it. After searching it, you have to click the first link. It will be redirect to the link via YouTube. After opening this page, here you can see that there is a category of modes. Now this is the technology channel. Then I like the dark modes or instrumental, like guitar, or you can sort by times of your video length, or you can search the music here. If you like the music, then you have to download from this icon and it will be saved towards your internal memory, and then you have to open this music and paste towards your video. Now I am playing this any song from here, and this is the copyright free songs and music here. Now you can hear that. By this page, this is the official YouTube page. You can download any music and any sound effect from this link or this website. It will be not copyright claims. Thank you.